Good morning. The impact of Houston's energy corridor on commercial real estate in West Houston. So, Houston's energy corridor isn't just a business district, it's also the beating heart of West Houston's commercial real estate or CRE ecosystem. Stretching along I 10 between Beltway 8 and Highway 6, this hub is home to global energy giants, engineering firms, and technology innovators that have anchored the area's growth for decades. But as the energy sector evolves, so too does the corridor's influence on surrounding markets like Katy, Fulshear, and Memorial. So here's a brief history from the energy epicenter to an economic engine. So it was established in the 1970s. The energy corridor quickly became synonymous with Houston's rise as the world's energy capital, home to headquarters and regional offices for companies like Shell, BP, and ConocoPhillips. It's fueled both job creation and population growth in West Houston. And the result? Well, a surge in demand for office space, industrial development, and supporting retail, creating one of the most vibrant submarkets in Texas. The evolution of the office market. So, the corridor's office inventory remains one of the largest in Houston with over 20 million square feet of space. However, post pandemic shifts have accelerated adaptive reuse and other development, or redevelopment, excuse me. And older Class B buildings are being reimagined into mixed use environments with hospitality, residential, and flexible workspace options. And this reinvention is drawing a broader mix of tenants beyond energy, from finance and technology to life sciences. So, industrial's growth and logistic expansion. Well, the corridor's proximity to both the Port of Houston and the Grand Parkway has turned nearby West Houston into an industrial hotbed. And developers are targeting the Katy and Brookshire areas for industrial outdoor storage or IOS and logistics properties, as well as last mile distribution facilities. And demand for these properties continues to climb as companies optimize supply chains and e-commerce activity drives warehouse absorption. So there's also retail and mixed use development. So lifestyle destinations like La Centera at Cinco Ranch and the city center style projects emerging along I 10 showcase how retail and experiential mixed use assets are thriving. And these developments cater to the energy corridor's workforce and residents, creating a live, work, play ecosystem that boosts property values and stabilizes surrounding land uses. So let's look at this from an investment and financing outlook. From a capital markets perspective, West Houston's CRE landscape remains attractive to institutional investors and private capital alike. And stabilized Class A office offer value add opportunities, while industrial and mixed use projects are drawing strong lender interest. For investors, the corridor's resilient infrastructure and diversified tenant base make it a strategic choice for long term stability. So let's look ahead a little bit. Energy transition meets CRE innovation. As the global economy pivots towards more renewable energy sources, the energy corridor is positioning itself as a hub for clean tech and sustainability initiatives. Developers and business owners are incorporating ESG, or environmental, social, and governance strategies, into new construction, aligning with both tenant demand and investor mandates. West Houston's commercial real estate future is bright, and the energy corridor remains its catalyst, balancing tradition with transformation and power with progress. And that, my friends, is it for the day. I hope you have a good one. HoustonRealEstateBrokerage.com is the website. You can schedule a consultation there, and as well, there's a number of resources if you don't want to talk to me quite yet, but I am available. Bill Rapp, have a good day.